Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LineaBank token. Ticker symbol is LAB. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, August 22nd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed today, August 22nd at 11 a.m. UTC time, on a central exchange called BITGET. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a BITGET account, you can download BITGET, B-I-T-G-E-T, from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LAB, the ticker symbol LAB, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up here in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this token. Their Twitter just joined in May 2023. They have 32,400 Twitter followers, so they're doing pretty well there. Blue verified checkmark, 267 tweets. So it says a yield boosting and revenue sharing and auto buyback system. So LineaBank.finance is their official webpage. They also have a different Twitter here at LineaBuild, and that is 543,800 Twitter followers, and that is a developer-ready ZK rollup powered by Consensus, enabling the next generation of Ethereum builders. So they have that linked on there. And then they have their link tree on here as well. So they have all sorts of cool stuff involved in this project. If you go to their webpage, you can also find a document section, and that'll take you to docs.lineabank.finance. So a simple yet outstanding money market. LineaBank is a simple yet outstanding lending protocol built on the Linea Consensus ZK EVM. So that's why they have that Twitter linked, is because that's what this project is built on. It's not the same project and just a different Twitter. It is built on that. So a blockchain protocol based on Ethereum virtual machine technology that provides privacy protection and scalability. Our non-custodial lending platform gives users full control over their funds and offers competitive interest rates through a decentralized market that eliminates intermediaries. So anytime, anywhere, supply, borrow, and earn a simple yet outstanding money market. Some of the key features here, LineaBank's tokenomics are based on the LAB stake and offer several benefits to users. There's yield boosting, so boosts users' annual percentage rate based on their LAB token stake. There's revenue sharing, so distribute platform fees to users weekly based on their stake. Automatic LAB buyback and burn systems, so buys back LAB tokens when users claim platform fee shares, with the majority of the protocol's revenue going to burning LAB tokens. Also, LineaBank's sustainability on the LAB token will enable the long-term growth of the platform and bring great success to its users. That sounds like Borat. To bring a great success, my wife. Anyways, so they have on their document section, you can learn all about getting started guide for bridging and network. Then they have different sections about what's in the protocol. So there's lending and borrowing. And this is 100% code-based environment. And you can read all specifically about how that works on here. Also liquidation, they go over that. What is the max LTV protocol revenue sharing system? They go over the parameters, all the factors there. They also have the locker on here. There's all sorts of different formulas. So LAB is the utility token, and what it's used for, it says our unique yield boosting system boosts the APR of our users based on the stake rate of XLAB. The boost multiplier increases as your score, which is affected by duration and amount, increases of up to 3 times multiplier. So it goes over the formulas of that. So you can use the token for staking. Also revenue sharing. There's that. So protocol revenue sources come from interest fees, liquidation penalties, fees for claiming platform revenue shares. And then we have the LAB staking. LAB token stakers receive LAB staking rewards proportional to their XLAB score. For example, if my score is 10% and the weekly SCB reward allocation is 100,000, my share is 10,000 LAB. So it goes over how all that works, different formulas. And then they have the automatic LAB buyback, and it goes over the borrower's interest fees, liquidation penalty fees, fees for claiming platform revenue share and sharing the wealth and all that type of stuff. Now the LAB token distribution, this is on the LINEA chain that I mentioned earlier. Max total supply of the LAB token is 100 million tokens. And they have, different emissions, vesting, distribution schedule, all that type of stuff on here. But basically 9.2% of the tokens go to the IDO, 44.5% liquidity incentives, 1.5% initial liquidity, 15% development fund, 15% ecosystem fund, 11.8% of the tokens go to the LineaBank treasury, 3% pre-mining, and then they have the emission schedule following that. So if you want to check out their KYC certification, they have that by Coinscope, which means that their team was doxed to Coinscope to verify who they are for security reasons. And they also have an audit report that you can check out on their document section, and they were audited by PeckShield, and you can check out the PDF of that. They have all the contracts, terms of service agreement, media kit, official links. You can find it all at docs.lineabank.finance. Go check out their Twitter over there for the full link tree and all that type of stuff. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on BitGet. So go check out BitGet as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.